Hello? Hello? I don't go live now. I don't go live now. Okay, okay, fine. I'm coming. I'm trying to set up my system. So this is gold, and welcome to this channel. What we do here is we analyze gold every day from morning to Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday. So let's just start from to start. So you can enter life with us every day and make money for yourself. So this is a 4 hours time frame. The market is already in a consolidation mode. That means we are likely not to see good trades today. You understand? Within this place and this place, the market is in a consolidation mode. So actually, the market is generally on a bearish mode and is sitting upon uh, so is sitting upon a very light support area. A very light support area. I'm coming. Market is, so the next thing we are going to do now that we are seeing that the market is in consolidation mode on the support area, let's go to 1 hour time frame to see what we can do. One thing about the market is you just trade what the market gives to you. You just trade what the market gives to you. So if we draw our counter trend line, you can see that the market has broken this level and retested this level again. So we are sure that this market is about to sell somehow sure that this market is likely going to sell. It's likely going to sell. It is about to sell somehow sure that this market is likely going to sell. So this market is likely going to sell with what it's doing now. First or second touch, then broke and retesting this level. Yes. So with what we have now, what do we do again? We go down to a lower time frame. We know that we might see so this is so we are in the 15 minutes time frame. On the 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame. What is the 15 minutes time frame tell us? This market is going to be somehow bearish. This market is going to be somehow bearish. Let's go to 5 minutes time frame and see what is happening there. You dey see the screen well. Let's go to 5 minutes time frame and see what is happening there. In the 5 minutes time frame, we are still trying to see somehow bearish too. So we come to 1 minute time frame. We try to scalp the market because of this is what we have. So in the 1 minute time frame, okay, wait. Let's get something clear. The 15 minutes time frame is in between here. I told you the market is consolidating. So because of that consolidation, it's very, very difficult to see where the market is. Coming back, let me go back to 1 hour. Let me be sure what I'm analyzing. So in the 1 hour time frame, we see the market is really consolidating, has broken this level, retested this level, retested this level, came to this. This is what we have. I'm expecting a fall from here. Basically, if the market breaks above here, the market breaks above here, we can have a rally to this top, a rally to this top. But the market, how do I show it? We can have a rally to this top, but until the market breaks, so there is a pure resistance around here. You see this place? There's a pure resistance. A rally to this top. But the market, how do I show it? We can have a rally to this top, but until the market breaks, so there is a pure resistance around here. So there is a pure resistance around this place. This resistance is causing the market not to. So until this, so long there is a resistance here, we're expecting once the market breaks above here, it's going to come down to this level. Then once we're able to see an entry to come down, we'll come down to this level. So we are in between two now. So let's go to 15 minutes time frame again to see what we are seeing. So you see, the the market broke it and pulled back inside to retest. 5 minutes. So 5 minutes, this is what the market did. Retest is still between the bearish market. The market is still trying to be sell. The market is still trying to sell. It's still really trying to sell in this place. Still really trying to sell in this place. And what I'm saying, the market is going to sell down here, crash this one, and come down to this level. So the market is targeting this level. The market is targeting this level. It's targeting this level. Let me put it with bearish color. If you are with us, please tell us where you are joining us from. Where are you joining us from? Your name and where you are joining us from. And you can share, just talk to your friends, share. So this is your name and where you are joining us from. And you can share, just talk to your friends, share. So this is your name and where you are joining us from. And you can share, just talk to your friends, share. So for now, I'm expecting the market to break this one. Once it breaks this place, we're expecting the market to come down to this level. So all what we are going to be looking for is a sell. All what we are going to be looking for now is a sell. I'm expecting the market to break this one. Once it breaks, I'm expecting the market to come down. All what you are going to. So we're expecting a sell. So let's go to 1 minute time frame. With 1 minute time frame, what I'm seeing here, what I'm seeing here, if you look very well, you see that we have a clear break of structure in the 5 minutes time frame. In the 1 minute time frame, clear break of structure retest the support level. So for us to be able to buy or sell, for us to be able to buy or sell in this 1 minute time frame, the market need to break above here 4,116, and for us to be able to buy, yes, to sell, the market need to break below here. Then we can still manage it if it breaks below here. We can still manage it. Do you get it? So this is what we have now. First of all, we cannot enter this market now because we are waiting for the market either to break above here and give us a buy. That means a clean break of structure to confirm that the market is still going up. Or it breaks below here. This one is going to manage. So we are going to be very careful. The major point is once the market breaks below here, then we are now clean sure that this market is going to sell. Are you with me? If you are with me, so I'm with you. Please type where you are watching from, type where you are watching from, and just this is free, practically free. You are getting it for free, and you are going to enter the market with me. If you don't know how to enter the market, don't worry. You just chat me up. We teach you how to enter the market. So you see, once this market breaks below here, we can now have a clean a set of candle that we can work with. But for now, we don't have that. You cannot enter this market. If you enter this market, you're on your own. You're on your own. Practically on your own. Wow. Okay. Now let's check something. If I'm going to use my Fibonacci retracement to check if this market was okay before to enter. Okay. Okay. You see, the market has really given a touch before a reversal. So, but because of we don't have a clean break of structure to the lower side, that means a change of character. So, even though this market happened like this, because for you to be able to say, okay, you you want to sell, this market need to break this point to have a change of character. At this point, it is still sitting at a support level, somehow support level. So there must be a break of this point. There must be a touch of this place to give us a change of character. So for now, we don't have a change of character, and because of that, we cannot enter the market. So even though we had this retracement to 0.5, 0.6, it is not ideal for you to enter because you must have a clean break of structure, a change of character from here, or a lower low. How what is price action people call it, a lower low. So long there is no lower low, just forget about it. So all we have to do now is to wait, to wait, to wait. If you don't wait, you are just going to throw away your money. So in the 5 minutes time frame, we said this market, for those of you that didn't join early, we started from here. We started from 1 hour time frame or 4 hours time frame. We started from 4 hours time frame. And from what we have, we said this market, this this market is in consolidation and is sitting upon a support level. You see, this market came, broke here, entered into this zone again, touched this zone, just broke it again, entered this zone, came back again, tried to enter here. So it has been within this point. And when market is like this, you are likely going to have market touch your stop loss, one, or if it doesn't touch your stop loss, it will not give you your full TP. Maybe you are targeting 1:2, maybe to give you 1:1. So majorly some fundamental analysis might be behind this one, but we are not looking at the fundamentals now. We are looking at purely technical. So because of this, we have a bias now. The bias is that the market is in a state of uh, what do I call it now? It's not moving. So long as, yeah, at this point it's in a state of consolidation. If it's in a state of consolidation, forget about it. The only thing we can do is to wait for it to break. And you see, if you watch from this point, I say we are to enter from this 4 hours time frame. We are to enter at the 1 minute time frame if it breaks below here, or if it breaks below this place a little. And you see, if you check when the market broke those points, there was a really sell. So we need a break of this level below, a break of this level below, or a break at this level below, or a break above this level. So the market can take out to this point, to this point. You see, so these things are what we have learned over time. So look at this 1 hour time frame. The market broke here and came back and came and didn't close above. We tell you that the market is still unstable, indecision is still taking place. Decision is still taking place. Decision is taking place. So the next thing we should be expecting is that the market is going to, decision is still taking place. So break below here we enter, break above here we enter buy, break below here we enter sell. So that is very, very clear, very simple. It's not, you don't have to rush. You must wait for the market to come to you. You just have to wait for the market to come to you. Break above here we enter buy, break below here we enter sell. Oh, you are welcome, Prince Manasseh. That's great. Thank you for watching. Even my brother is even watching here. Wonderful. Thank you. You are wonderful people. Very soon this place will be flooded. You are welcome, Prince Manasseh. That's great. Thank you for watching. Even my brother is even watching here. Wonderful. Thank you. You are wonderful people. Very soon this place will be flooded. Coming. Let me try to post something. Coming. Let me try to post something. Coming on. So practically, this is what we have now. You don't come up, eh? Huh? Okay, did you make noise? Did you make noise? You see the online. This is what we have now. Uh, so let's go back to 2015. I say the market have to close above here or below. This is 5 minutes time frame. This is 5 minutes time frame. Uh, we still don't have an entry. The markets have to close below here. Market have to close below here. Close above here, we enter. Close below here, we enter. So forex market is not an easy way to make money, but it's very clear. You just have to wait for the market to come to you. Once the market come to you, you enter. This is the only market we trade. We trade gold every day. We are here. Better take the advantage to learn now and master it. Very soon, there will be no space. Mm. So this is 1 minute time frame again. We have come back to 1 minute time frame. And you see the market is just slow, sluggish, waiting for us. You can share it with your friends so that they can join us on this live trade. This live trade. So if you are just entering, if you are just joining us new, you can tell us where you are joining from, so that tell us where you are joining us from. Just entering, just joining us new, you can tell us where you are joining from, so that. So one thing happened. The other scheduled live didn't go well, so we now created a new one. That's what happened. So the other scheduled live didn't go well. So let me give another example again. This is we use Fibonacci retracement to check our trade if we can enter this trade. You see, naturally we would have entered this trade. We would have entered this trade because this is our retracement point. This is where we enter our trade. But this entering candle does not confirm our trade. This entering candle does not confirm our trade. So, and I know why it didn't confirm. It didn't confirm because the market is not complete. You understand? You now let me teach you something here. You cannot enter a market where there is no new break of structure. Because a new break of structure, and what does it mean to have a break of structure? A break of structure or a lower low means that now you see, let me give you a practical example. You see this market move like this. move like this, went up and came down again, then broke this level, broke this level. Can you see it? If you can see it, type we can see it. I can see it. So it broke this level. Let me mark it. It broke this level. So when it broke this level, market traders will know that okay, this market is ready to go up. So it came down again, broke this level. Once it has broken this level, they call it higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. While SMC call it a break of structure, a retrace to the other block, a break of structure. So once I prefer the break of structure, it's easier to understand. So now this one again broke another structure here. What it's telling us is that the market is still bullish. You get it? The market is still bullish. It's still going up. Then once it broke the last one, this level, market has changed level. They call it a change of character. So once it breaks the last origin of this break of structure, we know market has changed character. Market has changed character means we are going to be looking at sell. We're not going to be looking at buy anymore. We're going to be looking at sell. So and for you to have a sell, the market must retrace back. But on a general view, I'm saying that you cannot be sure of sell because the market might just retrace back and just lure you inside, you enter. So you must wait for a clean change of character. That means this whole set, you see this whole, let me mark something. You see this candle that is inside this place. This candle. These candles that are inside this place. These candles must be broken low. You understand? So the market must break below this candle. He's my brother like him. So so long the market, every market that inside here must be broken for us to know that okay, this market is ready to go low. Every market inside here must be broken. So that is why I say we cannot sell for now. We have to wait. We have to wait. I'm coming. Let me get some things. That is why I say we cannot cannot sell for now. Have to wait. Have to wait. I'm coming. Let me get some things. I know I said we cannot sell for now. Have to wait. Have to wait. I'm coming. Let me get some things. I know I said we cannot sell for now. Coming. Let me get some things. Oh my God. If you talk now. So this is not forget talk. So this is what we have. We are still here. If you are joining us for the first time, you can type where you are joining from, your name, and where you are joining from, so that if there's anything you want to learn, you can tell us. We can teach you. This is where we trade gold and make money. Trade gold and make money. Your friends that want to learn forex for free, we are here teaching it for free, practically free. You're not paying any dime for it, but don't think it will be free forever. For now, it can be free. People are paying $500, $300, $200. The lowest is $300 to learn forex. And I'm showing you what I do for free. And secondly, I'm showing you how I execute my market. So, like what we said before, if you are just joining us now, we said the market is still in a consolidation. And because the market is still in a consolidation, we cannot really enter the market. If you check the 4 hours time frame, the market is still in a consolidation. So this live broadcast will be going down around 11 a.m. I will come back again around 1 p.m. because I'm seeing that we are not going to see any market very soon. 15 minutes time from now. 15 minutes time from the market is still there. Market is still there. We had an impulsive move here, a break of structure, and we have not had a perfect exchange of character. So if this market breaks below here, if this market breaks below here, then we are very sure. And I'm very sure that this market is going to break below here and sell down to this point, then to this point. To this point and to this point. This is what I expect the market to do practically. Market is going to break here, create this point and set to this point. Then if there is any obvious reason or anything that comes up, maybe fundamental reasons, market will have to break here up and set to any rate. Going to set. If you want us to analyze any market too, we can help you analyze any market. But we are only focused on gold. Want us to analyze any market? You are interested in any market you want us to analyze? That means you trade and but this is what we're analyzing for now. This is what we're analyzing for now. It's already 10:30. We soon shut down because we can see clearly that the market is not respecting our principles. Not respecting our principles. So the 5 minutes time frame, this is what. So this is what we are still seeing. Now the market is still there. Okay, let's try to learn some. Okay, wait, I'm coming back. Let's go to 1 minute time frame. So let me go to let me go to Bitcoin. Let's see what's happening in Bitcoin. Though I don't trade Bitcoin now for now. But let's go to 4 hours time frame. Or let's go to daily time frame. So this is okay. Let's start from a weekly time frame. This is what is happening in Bitcoin for now. This is what is happening in Bitcoin for now. So for me as a trader, what I'm seeing now is the market has bought from this place around 2019, came back retested this trend line, went up again, tried to retest it, then it has broken this level. So now, once it has broken this level, what it's saying is that, and the market is sitting upon a high support level. If this market is not stopped, there is a probability that this market is going to come down to $20,000 or 20,000 to around $18,000. This is a weekly time frame, around $18,000. Well, let's see some other views, some other views. And first touch, second touch, third. The market is still bearish from a weekly time frame. From a weekly time frame. Let's go to daily time frame. Daily time frame, a clear break of structure, trying to retest. Slowly bearish. Daily time frame, what is happening now is that the market, let's use a Fibonacci retracement. The market retraced back to this point, then came down and broke the structure a little. So we're expecting any retracement. So market is coming to this point. This market is coming to this point. This market is coming to this point. I'm just telling you for free where BTC is coming, and BTC is coming to around $72,000. $72,000 or within 70,000 to 72,000, but I'm sure it's going to touch 72,000. And when you touch 72,000, it's going to retest again and start selling or buy. That's what is going to happen. So once Bitcoin breaks around this, yeah, that's what is going to happen. That is what Bitcoin is going to do. I'm telling you clearly, Bitcoin is going to touch 70, within 73,000, 72,000, 70,000, and it's going to start selling on a micro level. That is on a micro level. So if you are going to work with what we have now, let's go back to 4 hours time frame. So just a little point, the market is coming to this level. Practically it's coming to this level. Once it comes to this level, there'll be a retracement back. A retracement back. So if you want to, for an SMC trader, you'll be waiting for the market around here or above a little. But for a price action trader is waiting for a clear break of counter trend line. around this level. But for the price action trader is waiting for a clear break of counter trend line around this level. Price action trader is waiting for a clear break of counter trend line. And this is what we have. Come now. Camera not do that. Mhm. So we are coming to a close of this live analysis for now. We are going to come back again in the afternoon. So that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching.